Hey YouTube, it's Liz. It is Friday, June 8th, and I'm here for my 8-week post-lap band surgery update. Got a little bit of bad news this week. I had a little bit of a gain, and I'm not sure how it happened, to be very honest. I swear on everything that is holy to me, I haven't done anything to warrant this gain. It had to have come from other things, and I know that so many of you probably think that I'm so full of it when I say something like that. I have this gain and I'm not sure where it comes from, but I swear on everything that is holy to me that I have been sticking to my 15, no more than 1,500 calories a day. Really good food, really good calories, and I hit the gym 3 times last week, so no clue. Last week when I spoke to you, I was 316.8. And this week, as of this morning, I was 317.8. So that is a gain of exactly 1 pound. Now, when I say that, my scale has been really weird for the last couple of days. So I'm going to say that it might be a problem with my scale. I'm not sure. A couple of days after, I think it was maybe Monday, I weighed in at 318.8, which is crazy because there's no way that I gained 3 pounds in the last few days. And then yesterday it was 317.5, and I said I'm gonna really push it hard today, and I'm really gonna get the weight off so that when I'm doing this video I won't have to report a gain. So I ate exactly 1,150 calories yesterday and worked out at the gym for 45 minutes. So it's not muscle because all I'm doing is cardio. It could be one of two things that I'm thinking. Number one, it could either be that my birthday was just this last Wednesday. I turned 33 years old, and the Saturday before that, my family took me out to Hibachi to have some dinner. And, even though I stayed within my calories, hibachi is very, very, very salty. So I'm thinking that I just didn't watch my salt intake because I know that I had some cheese later on during the week, and I had a few other things that, could have warranted. I made stew one night, and, I used canned tomatoes. So I really am hoping that the salt is what, warranted this weight on me right now. The other thing, even though I know that it's a little bit too early for it, is that Aunt Flo might be coming to pay me a visit soon. To be very honest, she's not due until next week, but, who knows? When I was on Weight Watchers for that whole year, I never saw a gain the week before my monthly visitor was supposed to come. But, since I've been on that, I've had a set of twins, and my body has changed. My body is different. So it could be that, the hormones and the water of, my monthly visitor is paying me a visit a week early. I don't know. I really don't. I'm disappointed to say the very least. Especially when I don't know where it's coming from. It is so frustrating to know that you're doing everything that you possibly can do, and that it's still not working. I mean, I was at one point. I think I weighed myself that Saturday, the night before, the morning before we went out for my birthday, and I was 315.3. I was exactly 0.3 pounds away from losing 30 pounds, and I was so looking forward to being able to tell you guys I'm 30 plus pounds down now. But it is what it is. There are factors that I can't control. Weight loss is obviously not a direct science and an exact science. So I'm gonna say, you know what, this is this is what it is, and that's it. My family are coming down the stairs now, so I'm gonna cut it short here. But that's where we're at this week, and hopefully, I guess they're not coming downstairs, so I can continue. So basically, what I've come to learn this week is that, you know, X amount of calories do not warrant a blah 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 weight loss. There are other factors involved, other factors that I'm not sure what they are, But the way that I look at things right now is that I need to continue doing things the way that I'm doing them, and the weight is going to come off. I know that it is. You know, there's no way that anyone can eat, you know, 1,200 calories a day and, you know, still stay, you know, 300 plus pounds. So, you know, I'm only 2 months into this, and, you know, there are things I don't understand about this yet, and there are things that you know, I'm going to learn along the way, and I guess that that's what I'm going to chalk it up to right now. I'm trying so hard to stay positive, but you know, it's frustrating. It really is. You know, I mean, I'm hoping that I'll feel better next week, but you know, who knows? Because like I said, Aunt Flo is on her way next week, so you know, for all I know, I could have 2 videos back to back with you know, a crazy gain next to them. So hopefully not. Hopefully, the next time I speak to you guys, I'll be down, you know, significant enough that I'll say, all right, you know what? Don't understand it, but it happened, and I moved on. Little no scale victory this week. I no, now they're coming downstairs, so I'll try to make it quick. This week I went to this place that I go to buy supplies for my cakes. And I always dreaded going every time I went because there is a huge double staircase that lead up to the office that I need to go into. And to say the least, every time, I mean, I've been climbing those stairs, you know, maybe once a month for, you know, the last 2 years. And every single time I climbed it, I would always be out of breath by the time I got to the top. And I would always wait until my, I would always wait until I caught my breath a little bit before I went into the office because I was always so winded by going up these flights of stairs. Well, I went to get myself some supplies just yesterday, as a matter of fact, and I said, I bet you that I'm not going to feel that way this week, and you know, this time. And I took the 2 flights of stairs, and even though I was still winded, I was not nearly as winded as I had been up until that point. So I was kind of proud of myself. You know, I got to the top of the stairs, and I'm like, wow, that was a lot easier than it's ever been. And, you know, I can just chalk it up to being in better shape right now and chalk it up to the fact that the treadmill is really, you know, starting to take its toll on me. So if nothing else, my body is healthier. I mean, I've climbed those stairs before at, you know, the weight that I am now because, you know, 2 years, you know, within the last 2 years, I want to say that I've gained at least 30 pounds. So I've climbed those stairs again at 317 pounds. You know, and it was a lot easier this 317 than the 317 was before it. But you know, I mean, that's a good thing. It means that my heart is, you know, healthy and pumping and doing what it's supposed to do. And if nothing else, even though I had a gain this week, I'm happy to at least have that. So as you guys could see, I'm looking for every little positive that I can pull out here. So you know, it would just be so much easier for me to handle if I said, okay, you know what? I screwed up. You know, I had that piece of cake. I had that this. I had that. I haven't touched sugar in a month, maybe 2 months since my surgery. Um, so, you know, that's what's really got me bummed right now. But again, I'm looking at the positive and I'm not the negative. So, you know, here I am. And I'm just going to move forward and I'm going to, you know, just take things one day at a time. And hopefully the next time I speak to you guys, you will see less of me because unfortunately this week you see more of me. But it is what it is. And, you know, I wish everybody out there luck. I wish everybody out there good choices this weekend because, you know, gosh knows that I at least know that I tend to make poorer choices on the weekends than I do during the week. So, you know, just want to let everybody out there know that you don't have to, you know, decide that the weekend is when it's all going to go crazy because, you know, I haven't and I've been reining it in, but I'm going to do that even more this weekend and I hope that you'll do the same. Okay, YouTube, take care. I will see you next week and you will hopefully see a little less of me. Okay, take care, everybody.